In this video, I will show you how to play 120 FPS on Apex Legends PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and get 120 FPS, there's just a couple of things we're going to want to change in our console settings. So what you're going to want to do, as you can see, I'm on the PS5 home screen. You want to come out to the top and then go all the way to the right to come across to this gear icon, and then press X on your controller to go into the console settings. So from here, the first thing you're going to want to do is scroll down on this menu until you get to the option which says Save Data and Game App Settings, and then press X. Then what you need to do on this menu on the left hand side, you want to come down to where it says Game Presets and then press right on your controller. Next, what you need to do is come down to where it says Performance Mode or Resolution Mode, and you want to press X onto this and change this to Performance Mode. So by prioritizing Performance Mode, you're going to get higher frame rates and it's going to help obtain 120 FPS. Once you've done that, just go ahead and press circle on your controller twice to come back to the main settings menu. Next, what you want to do is come to the option which says screen and video and then press X. Then on video output, go ahead and press right on your controller, and you want to come down to the resolution and frequency section. From here, you want to press X onto resolution and make sure this is set to automatic. Then you want to come down a little bit further to this option which says 120 Hz output. Again, press X on your controller and make sure this is set to automatic. So once that's done, the final thing to do is open up Apex Legends on your PS5. And once you've opened up Apex Legends, you want to come into the game settings. So to do that, you want to go ahead and press the options button on your controller, which is the little button just here. As you can see, a box is going to pop up saying settings. Go ahead and press X on your controller, and this is going to take you into the game settings. Now, what you want to do from here is use the R1 and R1 buttons on the top of your controller to come across to video. Then what you need to do is press down on your controller to come down to graphics mode. And as you can see, the text on the right hand side says the following. So for balanced, this targets 60 FPS gameplay with high visual quality. However, if you select performance, that prioritizes frame rates up to 120 FPS with reduced visual quality. So what we want to do is press right on our controller to change this to performance. Then what you need to do is press triangle on your controller to apply the changes, and what's going to happen, the screen is going to go black for a second just while the space key applies the settings, and as you can see, we can now play at 120 FPS. So that's how to play 120 FPS on Apex Legends PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.